everyone, today I'm gonna bleach my hair and put some highlights. I usually put my highlights when my hair is straight, but I'm doing a challenge where I try to not put heat on my hair. So I'm gonna try a new method that I never try on my hair. I'm gonna try to do some Pintura. Is that how, I think this is how you call it, on my curly hair. I just cut them. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to like just put a lot of highlights on my curls, and basically Pintura is just you painting your hair while they are in their curly state. So yeah, I'm just gonna try this method and see how it goes, and I'll probably gonna have to bleach my hair again to reach the level that I want. But today I'm gonna use sulfine, sorry, bleach. I just bought this on my drugstore. I'm gonna use their developer as well. And today I'm using a 30 developer because my hair is kind of dark. Well, it's not like black, since I put like a color oops on my hair to remove some bugs dye that I had. But I really want to try to reach like kind of like a honey blonde, a light, well, a dark blonde, whatever blonde I can have with this bleach. So I'm gonna try with the 30. Yeah, this is it. So what I'm gonna use the bleach that I just showed you, some clove, this, and I'm gonna put some coconut oil before I bleach my hair. I always put coconut oil when I bleach my hair. It helps to protect your hair from the bleach. And I'm gonna put some saran wrap at the end. You need just clip and things to just put your hair away. I'm gonna start at the front because I really want the front to be lighter. The front and like the part like that are the ends over there, like all the ends there. I'm gonna try to put the bleach before, and then I'm gonna go all the way back like this. I don't know if I'm gonna like to do the Pintura method because I feel like it's gonna take longer, and I don't know. I hope it's not gonna be too messy to do. But let me go and just mix the bleach. So this is my desk. I put some paper to protect it. I thought it was 100 milliliter, but it's 200. So I'm gonna need 225 for 3 pack of bleach. The bleach is already like a purple, so it's supposed to help with like the brassiness of like when you bleach your hair. It's usually like yellow or orange, but I'm gonna put a toner as well anyway. So now I'm just gonna put the coconut oil. I'm gonna start to apply on the front. Let's go. So I think I'm gonna like split the curls depending if they are too big, and just like brush it with the bleach. You have to put a lot of bleach to make sure it process your hair. So, oh yeah, I feel this is gonna be really messy. I'm not gonna do my roots. And then just like this one. I'm gonna try to do both sides at the same time, and like just take curls that are kind of like of the same level. This is too long. I should have cut this more, but it's okay. I feel like I'm not gonna like to do the Pintura method on my own hair. I'm not sure about this. Ugh, yeah, already. So let's just paint this. So I'm just like taking the bleach and put them on my ends like this because I want my ends to be lighter. I don't put too much, but I'll go back after on this section and put a little bit more. I hope I'm not gonna regret this because right now it's not the best way to do this, but okay, now that my hands like have a little bit of bleach, I'm gonna go like my way up in the front and take more highlights. So I'm gonna separate this and just blend it. And because I don't want like the line, I'm gonna put some curls like a little bit like more on the ends, not all the way to the top, and some gonna be a little bit more on top. If that makes sense. I don't like this method, like it's really more messy. I feel like I have less control. Even like if I can see my curls and I know where I want to put it, I'm gonna continue, but I might. So I take a little bit of bleach, just like run it to my hair like this. So I can put like a little bit lighter the rest of my hair. And I take like a random pieces and really like brush it with the bleach. So I'm done applying the bleach. I want my highlights to be more in the front, so I put more like the bleach on the way to the top. I'm almost done. I could have used only 2 pack, but like 3 it's okay. So the rest I'm just gonna put the ends of my hair. So I just put a bunch of saran wrap on my hair. Usually you're supposed to put it, but I'm not gonna do this. It's hot enough and I feel like it's enough to process it. I can already see like it's getting lighter. So I'm gonna keep it for another 30 minutes instead of like 50 to 60, since I took like an hour just to put it. So yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you the result after. So this is what my hair looks like after I put the toner. It's not as orange and yellow. I'll probably gonna bleach them again in 2 weeks, or maybe put like a honey blonde dye on them, but I will see. So I'm gonna style my hair and I'll show you the result when it's dry and you can really see the color. This is the result. It's been 3 days since I bleached it. I really like the color, but I let my toner too long and I put too much blue. So this is why it's really important to like make sure you like measure how many spoon of the panic you put in your conditioner. I didn't do that. I was in the shower, didn't want to get out, so I just like did it in the shower, mix everything. I could see like it was too blue, but since my hair was really orange, I also put some purple, so you can see that I have like a lot of like the tip in the ends are like kind of green, There's like some purple. Oh, and in the front, it's really like green here. This is green. Obviously, when I'm gonna wash it, it's not gonna be green or all the color that you see right now. So yeah, this is the color. So I'm gonna put a hair dye, but a temporary one, probably in 2 days. So this is it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Bonjour.